I'm Anu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a Chinese dish known as Mantou. They are basically plain steamed buns. Let's get started. For the dough, in a bowl add 1/4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, 2 teaspoons of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything well. To this add 1 tablespoon of oil and half cup of milk. Start mixing the dough. You may need to add more milk if the dough is dry. Add teaspoon by teaspoon until the dough comes together. Take it out onto the surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes. Lightly grease the bowl with oil and place the dough. Now we will cover it with the wet towel. Keep it in a warm place for 60 to 90 minutes until it doubles in size. Now you can see it has doubled in size. Punch it down. Now take it out onto the chopping board. With the help of the dough cutter, cut the dough into equal parts. You can also use the weighing scale. Take one ball, pull and tuck the dough from top to bottom, so the seams are at the bottom and the top is smooth. Roll the dough into a smooth ball. Prepare all the balls like this. I am using bamboo steamer to steam them, but you can use a normal steamer as well. Gently brush some milk onto the top of each bun and let them sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Now steam them on high flame for 3 minutes and then lower the flame and cook for another 15 minutes. Once done, don't open the lid for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the buns and enjoy. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.